Hey guys, today I'm going to show you real quick how to put together the Bench X60. This is from the Glowdia store. And yes, I know I'm in my bedroom. Only place I could get without the kids. Inside the package, you're going to find your tools you need. On this one in particular, you need 2 Allen wrenches, which, like I said, were inside the box. Box is pretty big, so really it's simple. You flip it out and check to make sure there's nothing left. Eliminate the box. Now this itself is your bench. And yes, I know it's a little weird doing it in the bedroom, but when you have kids, you get where you can. Now this tells you your instructions on the back on how to do it. Simple. They have tape there and there. And yes, I may be doing this a little backwards than some of you may, but pretty simple. Just like putting a jigsaw puzzle together. One comes up like this. There's your last one. You see, this really does not take but just a few minutes. You're going to put an Allen wrench in one end, one in the other. You're going to tighten. Flip. You're going to come up. Take your blue tape off of the end. If you're anything like me, you're going to get garbage out of the way so that it's not right in your way. And then unscrew. You can see certain ones are going to fall, but there is a meeting point. So really anybody can do this. You see, it's not taking me long. Last one on. There we go. Put an Allen wrench in one end, one in the other. And you tighten. That's it. Quick, easy, ready for you to set out on your back deck and enjoy. Thanks for watching.